and it did. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajashri and today I'm going to review the Conscious Chemist Vitamin C Serum. I started using it in November. I guess they launched it in November and I got my hands on it ASAP because this is a very affordable vitamin C. So I thought it's a very good idea to get it and test it out for you guys, because many of you ask me for affordable vitamin C serums, because most of the time vitamin C serums range between 1500 to 3000. So many of you want a affordable option for a vitamin C serum, and when Conscious Chemist came with this vitamin C, I was so happy that the price point is so low. 900 for a 30 ml vitamin C is very good price point in my opinion. Guys, please don't mind, it's so loud outside. Everyone is continuously honking. If you can hear, please don't mind it. I don't have, it's so loud outside, so if you hear any kind of disturbance, please don't mind it. It's so loud and everyone is continuously honking. So yeah, let's get back to the review. So that's why I got it and I was testing it from November, so I have a pretty good idea over it. So without further delay, let's get into the review. As always, I will be talking about both pros. Let's start off the video with pros. I generally talk both pros and cons so that you guys can decide for yourself whether to get it or not. Because we are starting with pros, let's talk about the price point. $8.99 for a vitamin C serum is a very affordable price point in my opinion, because most of the time vitamin C is a very costly ingredient and vitamin C is very tough to stabilize. So that's why the vitamin C serum costs are very up there, and $8.99 for a vitamin C felt very affordable to me. So that is the first pro for me. And the second pro, I give up. And the second pro for me with this product is it's completely fragrance free. It definitely got a chemically smell because it don't have any kind of masking fragrance in there, so it smells like the vitamin C or any other stuff that is present in here, but other than that it doesn't have any artificial fragrance or any kind of masking agents in here. So this is a completely fragrance free product. So if you are looking for a vitamin C which is completely fragrance free, you can go for this option. I really like the fact that Conscious Chemist kept it fragrance free without adding any kind of essential oils and all, because a few people might be allergic to essential oils too, so that's a very good step by the brand. And my third pro is the texture. The texture is very light, it absorbs very quickly, it's very watery kind of consistency, so all skin types can use this. And my fourth pro is it's suitable for all skin types. And when I say all skin types, I'm not including sensitive skin type, because I have seen people with sensitive skin reacting badly for vitamin C serums, and from then I stopped recommending vitamin C for people who have extremely sensitive skin, because vitamin C can be a little unstable in nature and it can aggravate irritation for a few people, not for all. So that's why it is suitable for all skin types, like oily, combination, normal, dry, anyone can use it. Mainly if you have oily to combination skin, you will definitely love this serum because of its consistency. It's very light and watery kind of consistency. The other pro about this product is it's non-comedogenic. So if you have extremely oily skin, or if your skin is comedogenic prone, this is a very good option for you. And my other pro is Conscious Chemist is a cruelty and a vegan brand. This is an Indian homegrown brand, so I'm definitely going to support people who are building an Indian brand and building Indian economy. So I really like the aspect that this is an Indian brand, and Indian brands are coming up with innovative formulas and new kind of ingredients, and I really like it. So those are all my pros about the product. Now let's talk a little bit about the ingredients and the vitamin C form which is used in this serum. They have used ethyl ascorbic acid, and ethyl ascorbic acid is a derived form of vitamin C and it's a very stable form of vitamin C. So they didn't use L ascorbic acid because L ascorbic acid can be a little irritating or sensitizing to people who have extremely sensitive skin, and it's not very stable. That's why they have used derived forms of vitamin C which are much better than L-ascorbic acid. It also got aloe vera leaf extract, glycerin, carrot seed extract, vitamin E, betaine, etc., and it also got hyaluronic acid in it. So other than vitamin C serum, this is a very hydrating product too, because it got so much of hydrating ingredients in here. That is that about the ingredients, and I really like the selection of ingredients that are going in here. So because we are done with ingredients and pros, now let's jump into cons. My biggest con about this product is I'm not satisfied with the results. I'm not a person who is new to vitamin C. I have been using vitamin C for the longest time, and I know how vitamin C works on my skin. Even when I get like new vitamin C serums, I can see instant results in my skin. And what happened when I got this serum is I was using Eclat vitamin C serum before I got this one, and Eclat vitamin C works very well on my skin, and I stopped I stopped the Eclat vitamin C and I directly switched to this one. And after a week or so, I started observing that my skin got dull. It's not helping me with my acne marks or other pigmentation issues. I used it for 1 month and I didn't see any kind of results. Though I like the ingredients in here, though I like the consistency, though I like the price point, I didn't see any kind of change in my skin. And then I thought, okay, this is not working for me. Maybe I just use so much of vitamin C serums that I'm unable to see a change with this one, because I have used higher percentages of vitamin C compared to this serum. I have used 20%. I also used 22% vitamin C concentrations before. So I thought, okay, this is a less percentage. This got 10% of vitamin C in it. So I thought, okay, this got little low percentage of vitamin C than what I'm used to use. So that's why I'm not able to see any changes. And then I gave this to my mom, and she started using it from December, and she started using it, and at that point even she was using the Eclat vitamin C serum, and she started using this one, and even she didn't enjoy it. She didn't see any kind of results, and she was like, okay, take your vitamin C with you. I'm going to use the Eclat one. I'm not going to use this because I'm unable to see anything. My mom doesn't have any acne marks and stuff, but she uses vitamin C because she feels that it plumps her skin and it gives a very beautiful glow to her skin. But when she used this one, even I observed that her skin got dull. I don't know what's the exact reason is, because the formulation is very nice, and I'm so disappointed that it didn't work out for me, because the price point is very reasonable and I can repurchase it whenever I want. Guys, please don't mind. It's so loud outside and everyone was going crazy. I don't know what's happening, but please bear with it. It's so loud outside. I don't know why this happens only after I start filming. Okay, so even she didn't observe any kind of results with it, and I was so disappointed. I thought, okay, something is wrong with my skin, okay, or something is not working for me other than this product. But my mom only uses vitamin C in her routine, so even she didn't observe any kind of results. So I was pretty disappointed because this looked like a very promising product. So yeah, that is my biggest con. I didn't see any kind of changes which I would see with a normal vitamin C serum. So I am disappointed and I'm not going to repurchase it, and I won't recommend it to anyone, though the formulation is very nice and it got a bunch of pros. This con is enough for me to not repurchase it. But if you are a beginner and you haven't tried vitamin C in your routine till now, I feel this might work for you. I cannot promise it because I haven't seen any changes whatsoever. But if you want to include a affordable vitamin C in your routine, you can definitely get this one, and you're going to get like flat 20% off on it if you use my code TBB20 on Vanity Vegan. This is available on Vanity Vegan, So if you want to get even more discounted price, you can use my code and you can get it for like 600 or something. I'm not sure, but you can get it for much better price. So if you are a new person to vitamin C and you haven't tried vitamin C in your skincare routine and you want to try out the ingredient first before spending like 2000-3000 on a serum, you can definitely try this one. This is a very beginner friendly kind of vitamin C, at least I feel. But it definitely didn't work out for me. I didn't see any kind of brightening or lightening effects. My skin became dull, maybe because I stopped using the vitamin C I was using earlier. So that is my experience with this. I'm so sad that it didn't work out for me. I'm so happy that Conscious Chemist came with a vitamin C at a very good price point, but unfortunately but unfortunately but unfortunately it didn't work out for me. So yeah guys, that is my disappointing review of the vitamin C serum from Conscious Chemist. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are not following me on Instagram already, I will leave a link in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram too. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.